What's up YouTube? Dylan here with Dylan's Home Espresso Bar, and today I am just extremely happy because I have a package that is arriving to really help build and add to my espresso bar. So I am going to be doing an unboxing and you guys are going to be seeing me grab it from the delivery guy. It just notified me that it is coming here and my UPS package is on its way and arriving soon. So I can't wait to share this with you guys, and it's going to be a great addition to the channel, and I can't wait to show you guys what I am getting. So stay tuned and let's watch the delivery guy drop off my package. I'm so happy and so thankful, and I appreciate each and every one of you guys for the support. If you guys can hit that like and subscribe button down below, I would truly appreciate it. So would my dogs and my family. Again, I appreciate all of you guys. Now, let's stay tuned to see where and when he will be here with the package. Thank you. I'm ready. I'm ready. Where's my package? You guys ready too? You are? Because I'm ready for the package. Yep. Awesome. Thank you so much. Thank you. The grinder that I chose was Eureka. So we got our Eureka grinder here. So it's a great look at the floor. The box came with a big damage right here in the center. Yeah. And then also on the other side on the corner there. So let's just hope that it's not damaged when I actually open the grinder itself. I also ordered 3 baskets. So I ordered the VST baskets for the upgrade to my DualBoiler. So the VST baskets that I bought were an 18-gram basket. I also got a 20-gram basket. And then I also bought a 22-gram basket. So definitely exciting and look forward to using those. So now let's get to opening the grinder. They packed this in here really good.
That's good since they're in the box.
You guys can't see my head, but it's not like you want to see me anyways. You want to see the grinder that I bought, so. We got a hopper. That's good. It's good news.
Woohoo!
It's a good sign. I've always wanted a hopper. So here is the hopper and the lid. So that's cool. It's nice.
Fancy.
It's fancy.
Fancy
Okay.
hopper.
Now the moment that everyone has been waiting for. Now I am going to pull out the grinder. The first thing you're going to see is the instruction manual. So it's just going to tell you all about your grinder. It's going to tell you the different steps of what to do and what not to do. So pretty cool, fun stuff. And then now the actual grinder itself. It's about 1,000,000,000 degrees cold. So I did buy the white Eureka 75. So this piece right here is just going to, it's just a little plastic stopper. So all this piece does right here is just gonna go and stop the coffee grounds from entering into the actual grinder itself. So I want to give a shout out to Chris's Coffee. They have been absolutely amazing. They worked with me and gave me a great deal on the grinder. So thank you to Chris's Coffee. Take this back screw and just screw it in there to keep that nice and sturdy for this bean hopper so it does not come out. Now that everything is in there, we have it all nice and put together. We're gonna go ahead and keep this into the bag just to keep it safe.
Keep it safe. That's right.
All right, and then I'm gonna remove this little plastic piece here.
You're welcome.
All right, so right now we are going to be bringing this into our kitchen because I have to work on getting this Barista Express, moving it into my kitchen. I have another piece of furniture that's coming on this other side that you guys cannot see right now. And currently that is being worked on. We're just waiting for our piece to come in. It's been about...
It's on back order.
It's been about 9 weeks, and they said anywhere from 6 weeks to 13 weeks. So just waiting on that, but we're going to open up a lot of stuff. I'm going to have my Breville Barista Express over there, my Breville Smart Grinder over there. I'm going to keep my dual boiler over here, my niche, and my Specialita over on this table. So it'll be pretty cool. And yeah, I just look forward to buying different things to review and to show all of you guys at home and to obviously help my setup.
Same thing for our viewers.
All right, so there's that nice little spotlight so that way you can see your the grounds coming into your portafilter. There's an adjustment ring right there. So as you can see, it just goes straight into here. We can adjust this to where it's going to fit the portafilter. However, I do have to adjust that. So we're gonna go ahead and tighten it right there. See if this fits. It's always fun to get a new toy and try to set it up.
That's right.
All right, so that's where we're gonna have to stay to now have the grinder or the portafilter go into the grinder and sit in there pretty level. So we got that all situated. So right now we are on manual mode, but if we change this, we come over to our double cup and also our single cup. So right now we have the single cup, and then we can switch it over to the double cup, and then we can increase the amount of seconds. So right now we're at 7 seconds. We're gonna go down to about 3 seconds here. Probably about 3.5. And then here we'll change that to about 3 seconds as well. And then when you press this button right here, it's gonna go to manual mode, to where when you push this, it's just going to allow the grinds to be dosed into the portafilter basket as needed. So you just put it in there, you press the button, and then when you get the desired, you kind of tap it, kind of fluff it out, and yeah. So just want to thank every one of you guys for watching. If you guys enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps my wife and I and our channel. Also, we are going to be going live on Instagram. So if you want to see this grinder in action, make sure to follow us on Instagram at dylan.licka. And thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to check out the nice full review. Keep an eye on our channel. Again, give it a nice thumbs up. Make sure to like and subscribe. Push your push notifications so you never miss another one of our videos. The new Eureka Atom 75. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. We love and appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you guys so much for having support for our channel. And until next time, peace.
Peace.